Let's create a Assured Workloads folder using Terraform. Step 1. Run the command in your terminal gcloud auth login. Click the link. Next, enter your user email address, the password. Hit continue when asked to sign in to Google Cloud SDK and allow access for Google SDK, and you should be authenticated using the screen. Next, run the command gcloud auth application default login and follow the same steps. Step 2. Set your config project. In my case, I'm using the project ID of the project that was created as part of my free trial account in Google Cloud. Run the command gcloud config set project and your project ID. Use the same project ID to set your gcloud config set billing quota project. Use the same project ID for your gcloud auth application default set quota project. Now unzip the terraform-assured-workloads.zip file and edit your main.tf file. Change the billing account ID to match your billing account ID and change the folder ID to match your Assured Workloads folder ID. The billing account ID can be viewed via console. Click on the navigation menu and then select billing. Click the Manage Billing Account and that will list your billing account ID. Next, edit your provider.tf and change the project and billing project to match your project name. Next, run Terraform init. Once successfully initialized, run Terraform plan to see the plan. Next, run Terraform apply. When running Terraform apply, if you get this error message that assuredworkload.googleapis.com is disabled, you will have to run the following commands to enable it. First, run the gcloud services list command to list all the APIs that's enabled in your project. Next, use the gcloud command to enable the assuredworkloads.googleapis.com and then list the services enabled to verify your assuredworkloads.googleapis.com API is enabled. Rerun your Terraform apply, and this time it should be successful. Now go to the console to verify if your Assured Workload folder is created. In my case, the FedRAMP Moderate Assured Workload folder as well as the FedRAMP Moderate CMEC project is created using Terraform. As you can see, I have two Assured Workload folders created, the US regions via console and FedRAMP Moderate via Terraform. That's it.